Aggression is a complex human behavior. It's important to understand its forms and causes. Aggression is any behavior intended to harm another person. This harm can be physical, emotional, or psychological. There are three main types of aggression: verbal, physical, and psychological. Each type has unique characteristics and consequences. Verbal aggression uses words to hurt others. This includes insults, threats, and name-calling. Physical aggression involves physical contact. Examples include hitting, kicking, and biting. Psychological aggression aims to damage a person's self-esteem or social standing. Spreading rumors or excluding someone from a group are examples of this type of aggression. Understanding these different forms of aggression is crucial. It helps us to recognize and address aggressive behavior effectively. Why do people act aggressively? The answer is complex and multifaceted, involving both biological and environmental factors. This combination makes understanding aggression challenging. Genetics plays a role in predisposing individuals to aggression. Some people are genetically more likely to be impulsive or have difficulty controlling anger. However, genes are not destiny. Environmental factors significantly influence aggressive behavior. Early childhood experiences, particularly exposure to violence, can shape a person's tendency towards aggression. Children who witness violence at home or in their communities may learn that aggression is an acceptable way to solve problems. Social learning theory suggests that we learn aggression by observing and imitating others. This can be through direct observation, such as witnessing a parent hitting another person. It can also be indirect, like watching violent movies or playing aggressive video games. Understanding the interplay of genetics, environment, and social learning is vital for developing effective strategies to prevent and manage aggression. Verbal aggression may seem less harmful than physical aggression. However, words can have a lasting impact, leaving deep emotional scars. The sting of verbal abuse can linger long after the words are spoken. Verbal aggression can take many forms, from subtle digs to outright insults and threats. A common example is name-calling, where individuals use derogatory terms to belittle and humiliate others. Another form is verbal abuse within relationships, where one partner uses words to control, manipulate, or demean the other. This can include constant criticism, threats, and insults, eroding the victim's self-esteem and sense of self-worth. The impact of verbal aggression should never be underestimated. It can lead to anxiety, depression, and social withdrawal in victims. Recognizing and addressing verbal aggression is crucial for creating safe and respectful environments. Physical aggression is the most visible form of aggression, often leaving behind physical injuries and visible reminders of the encounter. It is a direct expression of anger or frustration, resulting in physical harm to another person. Physical aggression can range from minor acts like pushing and shoving to more severe forms such as punching, kicking, and using weapons. These acts can result in bruises, cuts, broken bones, and in extreme cases, even death. Road rage is a common example of physical aggression. Drivers may engage in dangerous driving behaviors, such as tailgating, speeding, or cutting off other vehicles. This can escalate into physical confrontations, endangering themselves and others. The consequences of physical aggression are severe, both for the victim and the aggressor. Victims may suffer long-term physical injuries, emotional trauma, and fear. Aggressors may face legal charges, damage to their relationships, and social isolation.